Hello, Bishop State, and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday in 2 minutes with Robert McWilliams. Today's tip is going to cover using Excel to manage your passwords. I don't know about you, but I manage a lot of passwords on my current position. As it stands right now, I have over 40 passwords I have to manage from. Remembering each and every password can be a daunting task. You've probably seen coworkers or perhaps even yourself utilize the small notebook to keep up with all your numerous passwords. Now, of course, I know there are online password managing tools out there, but I think Google, who has a Google password system, had got hacked just a few weeks ago. So perhaps you want to manage your passwords in-house. And so you can do something that one of my supervisors taught me to do some years ago, and that is to create an Excel document and in essence put all your passwords in there. So for me, in bold, I have what the password is for. I will list my username and of course obviously the password, and if it is something that is online, then I would have the link to how I log in to get to that online portal. So you can see there's things with Wiley for me, my Google tools, Zoomerang, Weave, Weebly, managing Office 365, etc. And also along the bottom, I will create different tabs to segregate the multiple passwords, that 43 plus passwords that I'm managing, from mobile devices, Canvas, AS400, and of course you know that password always changes every so often. Email, video tools, social media tools, etc., etc. And of course you can put as many tabs as you need. Also, to put a password on the password file, you actually can go to File and click on Info, and you can actually add a password to this Excel document. So should it get in the wrong hands, they can't just easily access all of the numerous passwords. Now, of course, you would need to remember this password, else you won't be able to access your Excel document. So in essence, that is the tip of the week. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon.